Hey, how you doing? Matt here from Stocklot World. A lot of people ask me, Matt, how do you get a consistent stream of surplus and excess offers coming through all the time? The way I do that is what we call in the business a pipeline. We build a pipeline of offers that come through, and that pipeline that we build is basically always being topped up. It's always being topped up with new offers coming through. And as we're processing our pipeline, we are basically pulling out the offers that look potential. We're pulling offers out that look like probably a waste of time. But at the same time, we are constantly stacking new offers onto our pipeline. And that is the secret to this business, that you need a constant pipeline of offers. So you're stacking up these new offers that are coming through all the time. You need a consistent pipeline of at least 20 to 30 offers at any one time, even if some of those offers are weeks or months old, because as long as that inventory is still available from that supplier, you're welcome to keep that on your pipeline list and be proactive trying to do something with that stock. The way that we keep our pipeline topped up all the time is obviously through a number of methods, through bulk emailing companies, and consistently being proactive on the LinkedIn platform. For example, we get offers through our website, through Google searches. We get offers through from companies who maybe been recommended, been referred, like referrals. We get offers through from previous companies that have offered us stock in the past, or companies that we've already done business with. And so what we're doing is we are constantly making contact with companies in bulk, and that enables us to get a constant stream of offers through that we can add onto our pipeline. A lot of those offers might come on the back of maybe emails that we've sent out several weeks or months ago, not just recent emails that we've sent out. So what we kind of start getting is like a snowball effect of offers, from companies that we've emailed over previous months, and then it kind of has that snowball effect. Like I say, the only thing that we spend money on, as far as advertising is concerned, literally most of what we do is organic, but the only thing we do spend money on is Google AdWords, Google Adverts, where we get inquiries coming in from people wanting to sell their inventory to us, as well as companies that are looking to buy as well. As usual, guys, if you enjoyed the training and if this resonated with you and you'd like help implementing this into your own business, or you want to start a business like this, flipping excess inventory for 4 and 5 figure profits, then click on the button below and book a free 30-minute strategy call with me, where we can see if you are good to get into my coaching program. I will see you soon.